Good morning, good morning, good morning, V.F.E crew. We are out here again. Another beautiful Saturday morning. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Look at that water. We are out here with the fam, out here with the two bro-in-laws. I got Wifey right there. Wifey, say hello. Bambino. Brian, the little fisherman. And today we got Junior. Junior, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another day. Welcome to the pier, buddy.
What up, everybody?
This is my wife's brother, and he's out here with the family today fishing, catching some fish. We got Zaya catching puffer fish like crazy. He's the puffer man. What up, Zaya? Emmy. Hello, baby M. Mazil, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the YouTube. We got Sylvia. Hello, Sylvia. That's E's wife. And there goes Trey. Say hi, Trey. Yeah, I messed that up, right? We got Cynthia. Hello. Curly Sue. What up, Cynthia?
Hello.
And then we got Sam the towel guy.
What's up,
Fixing the rods. What up, Sam?
Trying to get some fishing done, but you know, getting these kids set up first.
Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the pier. Let's catch some fish.
Have some fun, man.
Yes, sir. Mazil caught fish, guys. Her first fish.
It looks like an alligator.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Cool. So far, here's the catch. We got six of them. Pretty big ones too. So we'll give it a shot. See what it is. We got the pier full, all family and friends. Hello, everybody. Everybody on the pier. Hello. And there goes Mazil, the star. The star. You gonna catch us some fish, Mazil? You gonna keep catching some more fish?
Yeah. All day. I just only caught one puffer fish.
Yep.
In here. You want to see them?
Yep, let's see. Oh, there we go.
Hope we catch some more.
Yes, ma'am.
Rock this video.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it. Mommy, look what Lexi
Good job, Lexi.
got. Good bear.
You gonna take the picture with her, Lexi?
Come on. Come on. Let's take a picture. Oh.
Don't record me.
Look at this.
E.
So you put me on your video.
Yep. Welcome back, V.F.E crew. We are here at the house with our catch of the day. And wasn't much, but it's something different. So we're going to give it a shot, give it a whirl. I've watched it on Land Shark. I've watched it on Deer Meat for Dinner. It's simple. These blowfish, as they call them, puffer fish, they call them. Some people are scared of them. Some people are afraid of them. You just got to know how to clean them. And watching these videos, I feel 100% confident on cleaning them. I'm going to clean them myself. I'm going to get them ready. I'm going to prepare them. And I'm going to try them. And here they are. This is our catch for the day. We got 2, 4, 6, 8 puffer fish. And we're going to go ahead and clean them up. And you're going to go with us along on the process. We'll catch you here in a minute. So here we go again. You feel right behind the head, right by the gills. Get your knife. Right when you feel that bone break, that backbone, you flip it inside out. Get all this meat right here. Hold it right there. And that's all the bad stuff. And here's your white fillet. All white meat. Nice little drumstick. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how we clean the puffer fish. Simple. Take your time, feel for that rear bone. Once you feel that little crack, flip it inside out, pull it down with a fork, pull the skin, and here's the finished product. Now these, we'll take them, season them up, put some flour, some Everglades seasoning, some fish and chicken, throw them in some oil, and have them swimming again, and you guys will see how they taste later. Catch you guys later. So here we are again with our blowfish, aka puffer fish. We're getting ready to season them. We got some Everglades original, some Everglades cactus. We got Himalayan salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and flour to make them nice, golden, and crispy when we fry them, because they're gonna go swimming in the oil, baby. So we got Brandon behind the camera. Brandon, say hi.
Hi.
And we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning these. So we'll catch you guys on the flip side. So this is your final outcome. Nice puffer fish, nicely breaded, ready to go in some hot oil. So ladies and gentlemen, you saw the final outcome. Get some hot oil, drop them in, let them get nice and crispy, take them out, serve them to your friends and family, and enjoy a good meal. So my puffer fish are sitting in flour tonight. Tomorrow we'll be enjoying them with the rest of the family, which you all saw today. We was all fishing, having a great time. Kids were out there having a great and amazing time today. The weather was beautiful. Went to the beach for a little while. We had a blast. After that, we all ran over to CC's, had some food. Now we're relaxing. Fish is ready for tomorrow, and we will have a nice dinner tomorrow.
Where are you gonna put
That's
this stuff
beautiful.
at?
What do you think about the puffer?
Bro, the puffer fish is actually getting in. I ain't gonna lie, man.
They good?
Back up, nigga.
Brandon, what do you think about the puffer?
It's good.
Fire?
Wow.
You gotta ask
E,
if we can eat
you're
it.
the biggest critic out of them all. You like the puffer?
Try it.
It passed the test.
There you go. There you go.
You know you passed the test.
You like it, Di?
Real good.
It was bomb.com.
You liked it?
Nice, good. Did you get it?
You was throwing them away at first.
Sin,
Is it good?
like it?
We should take home. But
Tried
we
it?
like
Emmy
that.
likes it.
Emmy, you like it, baby? You tried it, Sylvia?
Yeah, it was good.
Cool, cool. So today we're still having family dinner. We're over at Sam's house. Sammy!
Yo.
We got E in the kitchen. E, what do you call these tacos?
Birria tacos.
A lot of preparation?
A lot of preparation. A day worth of marinating.
Good Lord. Well, we're gonna see what the inside's like. Let's go see what the final product looked like. Oh yeah. It's about to go down. It's about to go what, babe?
It's about to go down.
Can I put the lime and juice in here?
You put the lime in the coconut.
I want mine.
I can see.
So you put the lime?
That's pretty bomb.
Hey, you did it, bro. You did that.
What's up, V.F.E crew? So I'm here with Sammy, the towel guy, my brother-in-law. And I'm gonna introduce him to you guys. So you guys, if you have any towel work, any flooring, any bathroom, anything that you wanna do with customizing or upgrading to your home, this is the guy to reach. I'm gonna let him talk because he knows more in depth what to tell you, what you guys need to hear. So I'm gonna put him on real quick.
So yeah, here's Samuel Morales, owner of Samuel the Towel Guy. As he said, no job too big, too small. You get it done. Full remodel, customization. You want to make your house look good? I'm the guy to call. Make it look good, man. Bathrooms, backsplashes, you name it. Anything you need.
What's your phone number?
My number is 239-271-8544. I got my card. He'll show it to you guys. Give me a call, man.
Bet. Take care. So, V.F.E crew, thank you for coming with us this weekend and watching our video. You got to see us catch some pufferfish. We got to clean them, cook them, and everyone enjoyed them. We had a good time. We went to Sammy's house for dinner today. We got to go to church and give thanks to God for allowing us to do everything we get to do and we love to do, which is going out and spending time with the family. Ain't nothing better. But we're going to end this video. Thank you to all of you who have subscribed. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Please continue to like, share these videos, the channel. Hit the post notification button on the side so you don't miss out on any other content that's going to be coming up. We got a few more videos getting ready to come up, and we hope that you are staying tuned to continue following this journey. God bless and stay safe, and we are out of here.